Hello guys, welcome to our family and our garden here in Kenya, Meru County, Igembe South constituency. We have kept bunny. Here we have 4 bunnies and all of them belong to the same mother. You can see the way they are jumping. They are happy and we like them. For now, they don't have something to eat, but very soon we will have something for them. Hi, my friends. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly consider to do so. As I am here now looking at these bunnies, I have just find some grass for them, the weed they normally eat weed, and I was imagining what will happen if they stay 1 week without anything to eat. You can share with me what do you think is likely to happen if these bunnies stays for a whole week with nothing to eat. After 1 week, they also continue to stay another 1 week, then another 1 week, 1 month. Will they still be alive? No, they will not be alive. Similarly, even you, if you stay a lot, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks without the word of God, your spirit dies, your spiritual aspect dies. That's why it is important for you also to find the time every day, every week, every month, every year to feed your spirit with the word of God so that you can remain spiritually alive. If you have different opinion concerning that, you can share with me and your comment will be highly appreciated. Tell us, when do you think so they will die because they have no food, right?
Yes, because they have that the food.
Yeah.
And the food has very water from the grass.
What kind of food do rabbit eat?
Blackjack.
Blackjack. The leaves of sweet potatoes, right?
Yes.
And the other African queens.
Like this.
Yeah, like the ones I'm holding here, like the rest. So the scientific name of this weed, which the rabbit like a lot, kindly share with us and let us know the scientific name of this weed here, which the bunnies mostly like to feed on. Wema, what are you doing to the bunnies?
I am feeding them.
How many bunnies are there?
4.
Wow, wow. Let's get inside and feed them properly. Yeah, now we are inside the house of these bunnies, and I have given them the weed. You can see the way they are enjoying. Similarly, when you feed your spirit with the word of God, that is how your soul is refreshed. Look at the way bunnies really are enjoying the food, the weed which we are supplying them with. I love this. They are really enjoying, and it is good to feed them. Here we have our female rabbit, or the mother rabbit. It had given birth to 4 young ones, but 2 of them have already died because of congestion. So there's time we need to keep them in a place which is a bit spacious, so that they do not really die. Here is our male rabbit. Normally it does not eat a lot. It is here relaxing. Yeah. So you can see the way these rabbits are enjoying the feeding, and they really love the way they are enjoying the food. Wow. Thank you so much for taking your time to study with us today. We have briefly looked at the way we feed our bunnies, and we have found that they require consistency feeding Similarly, even you and I, our spiritual aspect, require consistency and continuous feeding the Word of God so that you can remain spiritually alive and spiritually nourished. That is the call that we have received from our Maker. So, bye bye for now. See you in the next video.